always see the night. They say they want a real one, they say they want a real one to make them feel young.
Hey yo, what's good family? Welcome back to Astro Nori for another video. Today we're actually going to be doing two different videos for you guys. So this morning we decided to go for the Jordan 13 Flints, and I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys exactly what happened. Sneakers always hands me what it always hands me, and I end up going to another website which you guys will see here. But if you do end up enjoying this video, slap a like on it down below. Subscribe to the channel if you are new and would enjoy more of this type of content. Click the post notification bell so you're notified each and every time I post a new video. And do not forget to click the Gleam link at the top of the description if you want to go ahead and have a chance to win 5 different Supreme items. There's going to be 5 separate winners. There's going to be 2 Supreme tees, Supreme shoulder bag, Motion logo beanie, Oreos as well with stickers. You definitely do not want to miss out. But without any further ado, let's go ahead and get straight to it. Right here we're basically just trying to add our size. I was trying to do it on the phone and it wasn't working, so I went straight to the computer. I added it. I'm adding all my payment information, the shipping and all that. I confirm it, and now I'm waiting pretty much. As soon as that's ready to go, my entry is in. I'm over here just looking at them real quick. Then I go to YCMC to wait in the queue, and I go to Snipes as well because I feel like I might get them on there. I go to Foot Locker and start spamming it, bro. Like literally for like a whole hour I was spamming it. Then eventually I got through on Eastbay. I'm on the checkout. Boom. I smooth got them. It took me like an hour on Foot Locker to not get them. Then right here I'm adding all my address information. I add my payment information as well. As you can see, it looks smoother than what it was. I low-key tried to compact it from like 2 hours to 2 minutes, but I placed my order. And eventually I go ahead and cook up on Eastbay. This is for my size, my pair right here. At this point I asked my girl like, yo, do you want them? Like low key, make sure you want them. She says she wanted them. So I go back right to Eastbay and I start adding her size. I'm spamming it, bro. Literally you gotta stay on the website for a minute. Just keep pressing that shit. I literally was doing that right there for like a whole 30 minutes again. I keep adding it and eventually it goes through. It lets me add them to my cart. I click the checkout button and right here I start adding all the information. Obviously I don't have her card saved to my computer, so I just start typing shit up like a maniac, and eventually I fill it all out. I'm good on there, and then I click the place order and we in here, bro. I managed to cook up on 2 pairs this morning, one for myself, one for her. I feel like these are actually gonna end up doing good resell in the long run. Definitely not right now. Maybe you could get a couple bucks off, but in the future you're probably gonna be able to do really good when it comes to these. As you can see my checkout right here, this is for a size 5 and it came up to like 140. My size was 190, which wasn't that bad at the end of the day. I managed to cook up and it was pretty simple. I feel like when it comes to these foot sites, what you mainly got to do is keep spamming it, bro. The screen recording was probably like 2 hours long, if not like an hour and 30 minutes. And bro, I was literally on Foot Locker just spamming that shit for hella long, like hella long. I was doing it on my computer on one hand and on the phone on the other, literally simultaneously just going at it, bro. And eventually I ended up getting through on Eastbay. I said fuck it, since Eastbay is working for me today, I might as well try for her on there. I already ended up cooking up on my pair, so it's not gonna hurt to just go for hers on there as well. And that's exactly what ended up working for me, honestly. My biggest recommendation is honestly keep spamming this shit, bro, because you will get through. It's typically harder to cop on sneakers than it is on the foot sites. That's probably why I recommend it more, honestly. But that pretty much does it for this video. If you guys did enjoy this quick live cop, make sure you go ahead and slap a like on this one. Let's see if we can get it to at least 100 likes. I'm gonna try to get this up ASAP. And right after I film this, I'm actually gonna start filming my FTP live cop. I was gonna put them together, but they're 2 separate things, so I'm gonna give them their dedicated time and space on my YouTube channel. Make sure you go ahead and check that out. It's gonna be up the next hour after I post this. It's about to go crazy, bro. So make sure you slap the like button, get this to 100 likes, subscribe to the channel, click that Gleam link at the top of the description if you want to enter in that crazy ass giveaway. And I guess that pretty much does it for this video. I'm gonna catch you guys in like an hour. Peace, stay up, and I'm out.
Never see the sun, always see the night. They say they want a real one, they say they want a real one to make them feel young.